Gavin and I are about ready to go out, putting the women and children to bed. We're gonna go hunt for dinner. Gavin got him a new BB gun yesterday from Papaw. What do you think, buddy?
I like it.
We're gonna go out and take care of business. What we need to do, we need to load this puppy. Sort of. That'll work. Okay. Probably put about 50 of these in there. Lock that up. Turn it upside down here. And let's just make sure that they get down in there good. All right, so now what I'm gonna do, let's get this thing pumped up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Probably a good start. Thing is on fire now. Take it off safety mode. Let's see if I can aim it at that tree right there.
Which tree were you aiming at?
Well, whatever tree it hit. All right, so Gavin, hey, aim at that tree. Let's see what he's got here. Is it off safety?
Oh yeah.
All right, take it off safety, getting ready to fire.
You can tell we're rookies, right?
We still struggling?
We've got it.
All right, now let's see if we got somewhere. Okay. Hard to tell where it went, but it went off. Got some targets. I want to zoom in on the target right there so you can kind of see what are those animals, Gav?
It's a goat, a pig, a goose, and a duck.
Okay, so we got 4 targets. We're about 35 feet or so away.
I can't see anything.
I know, we're not pros. Just rock and roll and take them out. Okay, he did not knock anything down.
I feel like I went over there.
The fire. All right, let's see here if I can see through this little scope here. See where I'm at.
I think he's aimed at the box.
Let's see.
Complete
Okay,
bottom
there you
of
go.
box.
I got you. Yeah, I see it now. Oh, baby! Get back into the crosshairs. Keep it steady. Hold it against your shoulder.
I can't even find the box.
Well, that's because you're aiming it way right. Here we go.
Still can't find the box. Oh, I found it.
He's found it. Oh.
And it hit right on the goat.
Keep it steady.
Yeah, it's so heavy, I keep going.
Yep, you're not steady enough. We moved up a little closer here so we can get the hang of it. And we missed a foot putt.
Yep. I aimed it higher that time, but it still didn't work.
Did 8 times now, so we've got probably a little bit more accuracy, hopefully. All right, so we've got it figured out now. Gavin says, I'm taking this puppy out. I'm zooming in. I saw it hit. We have stepped it up to the junior tees. I mean, we aren't pros. We ain't Navy SEALs. Oh, baby. See ya. Wouldn't want to be ya, goat. Hey, what do you think about hitting that from the junior tees? Now you feel you want to back up to the tips?
The black tees.